How to change graph types in expert option. Are you trading on expert option and want to view your charts in different styles? If yes, then follow along till the end. First of all, to open up the expert option app on your device and log in using your credentials to access your account. Once you're inside your account homepage, go ahead and tap on the little graph button from the bottom of the screen and you'll see the graph style option. Under graph type, choose a different graph type options. You can switch to area, line, candles, bars. Go ahead and select one of the type by tapping on it, and you can then adjust the time frame, enable auto zoom or disable it, or enable timer or disable it according to your preference. And once you are done, click on confirm and you'll notice that your graph type has been changed to your preference. That way you can start trading with your preferred chart, analyze the market using the chart type you selected. You can switch between chart types anytime if you want a different perspective. The candlestick charts are preferred by most traders for technical analysis. You can also use the line charts for quick trend spotting. Always keep experimenting to see which chart type fits your trading style best. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.